Okay, now you listen to me. We're gonna start with personal pronouns in Wolof. I, you will say in Wolof, man. You, in Wolof, yow. He or she or it in Wolof, mom. Okay, personal pronouns in English. I in Wolof, man. You in Wolof, yow. He, she, it in Wolof, mom. Okay, Yasmin, you repeat as I do.
Man, yow, mom.
Ilan is here. Yasmin.
Man, yow, moon.
Okay, Ilan. Man, yow, mom. Okay, we go on. To go in Wolof, dem. Dem. To sleep in Wolof, nelaw. Nelaw. To eat in Wolof, lekk. Lekk. To drink in Wolof, naan. Naan. To go, dem. To sleep, nelaw. To eat, lekk. To drink, naan. Okay, Ilan, you do it?
Dem, nelaw, lekk, naan.
Okay, Ilan, very good. Yasmin?
To go, dem. To sleep, nelaw. To eat, lekk. To drink, naan. To do the prayer, julli,